It is hot outside, 87 degrees right now with blue skies here in Buffalo. Winds out of the west at 13 miles per hour. It feels like it's 89 right now. 90 in Batavia, 87 in Niagara Falls, 81 in Jamestown. Lake Erie at 77 degrees. Lake Ontario now up to 72 degrees. It feels like it's 89 in Buffalo, 91 in Niagara Falls. It feels like 91 right now in Dunkirk. So we have the hot temperatures and we're adding some humidity, so it is a little more uncomfortable this afternoon and feels like temperatures will be well into the 90s from Buffalo to Batavia northwards. If you're going to Food Truck Tuesday later today, make sure you bring some water. Temperatures in the upper 80s at 5 p.m. Mostly sunny, mid 80s around 6:30. At 8 o'clock, we're still in the low 80s with the sun setting today at 8:21. Checking out the radar, we have a couple of showers out over Lake Erie, so boaters, something to keep in mind. And notice these showers drifting off toward the east, making their way towards western Chautauqua County, places like Westfield, seeing some more cloud cover. But as these showers move on shore, they keep fizzling out. But as the day moves along, we will see a few showers pop up south of Buffalo and possibly even in the north towns. Notice a lot of wet weather off to our west in front of a cold front. That's going to approach the area later tonight and into tomorrow and bring us some much needed rainfall. We'll have a few thunder showers as well, but the threat for severe weather is extremely low. Currently outside, 87 degrees with a feels like temperature of 89. Winds out of the west at 13 miles per hour. We'll be in the upper 80s, close to 90 degrees this afternoon. Mostly sunny and hot. Winds out of the west southwest around 10 to 15 miles per hour. We've had 7 days so far, 90 or above. Most likely we'll hit 90 again today. The hottest day this summer, July 12th, it was 92 degrees. Here's the hour-by-hour forecast. Again, notice at 5 p.m. some showers north and south of Buffalo. Then overnight, clouds will thicken up, a few showers around, and then notice some scattered showers during the morning hours on Wednesday, continuing through mid-afternoon, and then tapering off late Wednesday. And Thursday will be a dry one as drier air comes in toward the end of the week. So we are going to get some much needed rainfall later today through your Wednesday. We're talking about a third of an inch or so, which will be very, very beneficial. So far for the month, we've only had a trace of rain at the airport. Mostly sunny and hot. Your high 91. You can't rule out an isolated shower or two, especially north and south of Buffalo. Tonight, overnight lows in the low 70s with some scattered showers, maybe a rumble of thunder. The big story, though, tonight, it will be warm and it will be muggy. Tomorrow, mid 80s with some scattered showers and isolated thunder showers. Thursday, partly cloudy, low 80s, mid 80s on Friday, back to near 90 on Saturday. Some rain returns on Sunday, and look at Monday, highs in the upper 70s. So we do cool off a bit as we head into next week, but it's going to be